Welcome to JH. Today, I'll demonstrate how to export a Notion page as a PDF. This process is quite easy to follow. To begin, head over to the specific page you wish to convert and open it. Look toward the upper right-hand corner and click on the three-dot icon. From the menu that appears, select the Export option. In the Export Format drop-down, make sure to choose PDF. You can then decide whether to include databases using the current or default view. Next, determine which content to include, such as everything or excluding files and images. You also have the option to pick a page size, like A4, A3, letter, legal, or tabloid. Finally, set your scale percentage. I will keep mine at 100% for this guide. Once ready, hit the Export button. Your file will be generated, and you can select a destination on your computer. I'll save mine in the Downloads folder and name it New PDF File before clicking Save. Now, simply open your folder to find your document. It is a very straightforward method. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide useful, please like the video and subscribe. See you in the next one.